Good evening, everybody. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and even though I am closed for December, this is the most beautiful girl in the entire world's 2018 Jeep Wrangler, or as I like to call it, it's our EEP. So what we did today was we got installed the new radio for this thing. This is the Stinger Heigh10, which is a 10-inch screen. So as compared to the factory radio right here, which is incredibly embarrassing and it's super crappy. So let's turn this thing on and give it a quick little show and tell because it's really cool. This is a vehicle specific radio install. It comes with a dash kit and a wiring harness and all the integration modules and stuff. So a lot of the features that you're going to see here are not necessarily something that the Heigh10 has, but just this Heigh10 in the Wrangler application kit. So the phone is currently in the car, so that is why it immediately pops up with the Bluetooth pairing request because it's already here. Otherwise, it would show up with this screen. This is the main screen, which we would get to by hitting the home button. So obviously we're going to have features like the radio, and look, it's the radio. It has a volume knob, which is really nice. Also fully integrated with our steering wheel controls already, but knob is cool. You can mute it with that. That's fun. We go back to the home screen. It does have the factory backup camera integrated with it. So anytime you turn on the reverse, it will obviously do that. It has the lines that change. I'm kind of pulling on the steering wheel right now. You can see that. So dynamic parking assist lines, so that is cool. Does have an HDMI input. It's got all sorts of inputs. This actually has a ton of features that we will not be utilizing in this particular install just because this was a base model Wrangler, but you know, like, it does a lot of cool things. Let's see. Also, what's going to be really fun to a lot of people are all of the vehicle integration things. So right now we've got a nice display feature that has our PSI on all the tires. If we open up the doors, you see that it demonstrates it right on the screen there. For gauges, it has all the gauges, anywhere from battery voltage, oil temp, oil pressure, blah blah blah. Performance, we have RPM as well as speedometer, which is fun because it gives you your best acceleration speeds and all that jazz. Off-road is fun. It does a pitch and roll, which I can't demonstrate right now because I am, of course, on a level surface. We do have a compass, which is cool, as well as the drivetrain, which is going to tell us what transmission mode we're in, and also, again, trying to turn the wheel, it'll tell you tire angle. So, you know, for the actual hardcore Jeeper who wants this type of information at his fingertips, it's definitely here, and that is fun. Now, to the average person, or at least in this circumstance, all we really cared about is having a phone with a USB that we're going to plug in to the factory port, and that is going to immediately bring up Android Auto. I don't even have to touch it. It just does it. That's fun. And then voila, right up here on the screen, we have the Google Maps, the Android Auto Google Maps. So we can just click on home and it's going to be like, yo, I'm going to load that route. And voila, look at that. We can go home. This is, by pushing that, the Android Auto main screen, because my girl is amazing. She doesn't have a crap load of apps on her phone because we do not live on our phones. However, Pandora is, of course, a thing. And look, we can play music while we have the map prompts being along the bottom there to get us where we need to go. And again, volume controls on the steering wheel allows us to change that, or volume on the knob. Pretty cool. I think that's pretty much all I gotta say on this radio install. It is a really cool all-in-one kit that can be installed in the 2018 and up Wranglers, and I think the Gladiator as well. For compatibility and stuff, you're going to need to refer to Stinger. This is my first time installing this radio, and that's what really sold me on it, was that it was going to be such a specific kit for this. The Heigh10 is available just as a floating tablet style radio on its own, but pretty much anything is going to be better than this little guy right here. I think this is a 3.5 or a 4-inch screen, something like that, up to a 10-inch screen. So definitely an improvement, definitely really cool. I love the fact that we have hard buttons. I love the fact that it matches into the dash and it looks real good. And I love, of course, the fact that we have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay if you're an Apple person. That's all I got to say on this. Thank you guys for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Enjoying my time off away from the shop right now for December as I currently work on our home, which is in need of serious repair. And have yourselves a wonderful remainder of December. I'll talk to you later. See you.